Hey, good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing on in my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how to make Cubanos in a blanket, but we're going to do it all in our air fryer. So, grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make Cubanos in a blanket. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So what you're going to be needing for the Cubanos is some honey Dijon mustard, some baby Swiss cheese, some little smokies, and some deli ham, and some little baby dill pickles, or also gherkins. Now, I'm going to sit there and make my own dough. Let's make that dough. Let's add our water and the sugar and the yeast, the oil, the flour, and the salt. Now, take this over to your bread machine, put it on your dough setting, allow your bread machine to do all of its work for you, and I'll see you at the end when my bread machine tells me my dough is ready to sit there and prepare it however I want it. Alright, the bread machine just sounded off and I grabbed my dough. Here it all is. So I'm going to sit there and put it down, and because my dough usually makes so much, I'm going to sit there and go ahead and divide my dough up into fours. And then I'm going to set the other three off to the side. Now I have a pizza pan that I'm going to sit there and spray with the cooking spray as well. And now I'm going to take this dough and we're going to put it on our pizza pan here, and we're going to sit there and spread it out. As you see, I spread it all out on my pizza sheet, and then I went ahead and I wedged it all up into eighths, and then I took each one of them eighths and I cut them all in half to get these little wedges. Now I'm going to set that off to the side, and I'm going to just grab one of these little wedges. I'm going to bring it over here. Now, folks, work with me because the camera is right before me and it's really hard for me to sit there and see what is before me, but we're going to work with it, okay? What you're going to want to do first is grab some of your favorite mustard. Well, this is my favorite mustard, so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little zhizh right down the middle. And go ahead, spread it out a little bit. Alright. I'm just going to set that off to the side. You're going to want to sit there and grab one of these little sausage links. And now, before we even put it down, dry it off with some paper toweling. Remove all that moisture. Put that down as such. Go ahead, grab a slice or two of the ham, Go ahead, put that down on top like that. Get one of your cheese slices like that. And now I have to go and slice up some of my homemade pickles here so I can get a pickle slice. Okay, I went ahead and I sliced up some of my little dill pickles. Now you're going to want to lay a slice down like that, and then you're just going to want to sit there and roll this all up. As such. Now I'm going to go get another triangle, give a little smear of the mustard. I'm going to grab my sausage link, and remember, dry him off really good. Lay him down. Grab a slice of your deli ham, fold it up, put that down. Grab some of your Swiss cheese, put that down. Grab a slice of your little baby gherkin pickle and roll this all up and put that off to the side. I'm gonna continue making the rest of mine. Alright, we're gonna sit there and let our little Cubanos in a blanket double in size, and when it doubles in size, we're gonna sit there and air fry these. But before we put them in the air fryer, go ahead with your cooking spray and just give them a quick little zhuzh, like such. Like I said, I preheated my air fryer here. Now, let's go ahead and move these off to the side. I'm going to pull out my air fryer basket, and I'm going to put some of these Cubano pigs in a blanket inside of the air fryer basket. We're going to put it back in the air fryer, and we're going to air fry them for 12 to 15 minutes. And please don't overcrowd your air fryer when you are placing your Cubano pigs in a blanket. So just keep that in mind when you are putting these in there. Here we have some of them in the air fryer. We're going to put them back in the air fryer, and I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to check them at 10 minutes. But remember, we have anywhere from 12 to 15, but to be on the safe side, I'm going to check mine at 10. I'm going to go ahead and give ours a little peek. Ooh, I think they're done, so I'm going to plate them all up. Wow, I'm really impressed. The ham and the little sausages and that Swiss cheese with that little slice of pickle, all them flavors, they kind of go together, and they give you one dynamite flavor explosion in your mouth. Now, oops, I lost me dog. Okay, let's put it back in. Now, they say to serve them up with some mustard. So I'm going to sit there and try this one with some mustard. Now, that's how easy it was to make Cubanos in a blanket. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel here, I want to sit there and say welcome. And if you're not, subscribe. Tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And y'all come back now. You hear?